ngayibamba
Yeah.
Okay sharp ke amani ubhuti yapha umphethele i-questions esikhoyo nami ngiphethele sibethe man ungentweni sisho isixhosa ndithi bangathuka nokuba uhlala maybe
Bangothuka
hayi wena
Yo.
Kushaya
ngiyakutshela yabo so ubuhle balenzaka siyo ubuhle balenzaka siyo ubuhle balenzaka siyo ubuhle bakhe
sharp ni-grand bafethu ikasi pulse from the streets
for the streets.
Okay fine bafethu ubhuqo osebenzayo lona wonke umuntu uzomnika ikhathi ukuthi vele introduce aje ukuthi bayithini into xa singaziwe
Hi guys, my name is Othanwayo and ngihlala eMayibuye.
Hi, it's Asenati from Beshley.
Hello everyone. We are back again. This is Kucho.
Yeah bafethu shothi vele siyakhala ke manje siyayiqala le ndaba okay vele into ezoyenzeka kanjani shothi kahle sothini so shaya ama questions sibuzane kube mnandi njengoba nazi podcast iphatheleni new episode sahleka kube mnandi izozwa vele masiqala mara ubhuti Kucho lapha yana vele khona in question vele bethu ufuna ungibuza yona asibuze nabo sihleke nje kancane so vele ungasiqalela bhuti usizwe ukuthi yini yeah
Si question ukuthi siyahleka John. Kahle shaya intro.
Yeah.
Siyazana ukuthi ubani ubuya kuphi
Kanjani?
ubusy ngani.
Okay
Life yakhe nje in general.
yabuzwa bhuti
Sure.
Okay, should I start?
yeah ungaqala sisayibu
Like I said, it's Asenati from Beshley. And actually I didn't grow up here. Kule emakhaya, Eastern Cape, Uqumbu. So, ngiqale ukuhlala la I think 2021 when I was doing grade 7 in Pumlong Primary, and then I went to Northern Park High School, which I met Otanayo. But like we started getting close like early last year, 2025, grade 11.
Okay.
But we've known each other since grade 8, I think, because my aunt lives around here.
Apha Mayibuye.
So that's how we became close.
Plus incinci vele Mayibuye.
Yes.
Ifana close.
Oh hi guys, igama lami ngothandwayo. Okay, some people know me as Avela, and I grew up in Mayibuye, but I was born in Queenstown in Eastern Cape. And ukhula mnandi bra.
Hayibo senibethela kuma 7 ewe jonga 7 Mayibuye jonga ifumatheka oh okay
so yeah I went primary I went to Dalsy September Primary School.
Dalsy September okay apha Rabarich okay wena jonga ni mani ni ekes okay okay dayiva la way
yeah and yeah so after ukhula kwami ndiye ndaya ke ngoku ndayifunda eNorthern Park and me being there was actually a nice experience.
Yeah, a very interesting one.
Yeah, I mean I met a lot of people that the banana in Asenati, as she said, and yeah man and I'm thankful about developing now guys because abangani
yebo jonga na se TV njo like dibana se TV yebo sememande we
okay like
Intro a lot.
yeah ne
ibonye yethu like ichintshe yasenza ukuthi thina sifane like sibe ngathi ngosisi in a way.
And plus yazi ke ngaphandle kuba kusela like nithini ne ngantoni ba like nibhekisela people but I feel like amaXhosa especially xa efika apha eGoli avela avane kakhulu family one plus I feel like because sinendawo ezininzi I think kule 9 provinces lapha ne but le 9 provinces I think thina sina 3 northern eastern western angaxelela jonga mamela sibetha ngongqontweni jo yabo okay so nina dibana ne wena dibana apho ke na bese like nidibanisa izinto even though beninazo ichomi ezisecaleni but nina qoma
let's make it close
Like,
Oh.
actually, we didn't even plan this. Like, because I would say like almost the whole December we're together. It wasn't planned.
Oh.
Since my aunt
Okay.
stayed here.
Okay, yayiva lo way. So guys ne ndinivile ukuthi no2 apha ndithetha khona. So nenze Afrikaans apha ndifunda khona ne. Ish guys Afrikaans. Nisho mara ukuthi nibambile. And phela oh yeah ne.
Because I tried Afrikaans in grade 8, which was kind of hard for me. But like, as we go, it wasn't that bad.
Plus vele and plus vele
Yeah, so we tried it. It's not bad. But like, oh.
Plus vele ni right nenze Afrikaans because nowadays ne qasho abantu vele bayabhalile lapha kusithi ukuthi Afrikaans. Hey, I'm telling you because hey guys zabuya yo thina mobhala ukuthi Xhosa or Tsonga ini bathi folk lo akangeni yabo leyo nto akafumaneki. Yeah, yeah, corruption needs ne. Okay, hayi ndaniva ke guys because nami Afrikaans ndiyenzile but ngicela singangeni in deep manje because hey kunzima hey kwakunzima manje hey kwakunzima.
Ngiyenzanga Afrikaans.
What's his face?
Yeah.
Isipedi futhi nakwazi I think buti mina la singazwani mo because isipedi ngangifundile isipedi Senzile isipedi guys yazi nensenzile isipedi ndifunde ecrash zone isipedi ndagraduate isipedi mina
But yeah, crash.
honestly
No,
like
but like,
ngizokhumbula no ngicela ungithandazele guys sale munyani thaba pilo yaka usizwile mood uzwele zelo fe jonga bengicela ngifehle wena okay guys okay fine like chill back like nazi
It's
Ciao. Muri anadlala ni. Okay fine. So guys ngicela uvele ngiqale ngibuza question enje yabo.
okay.
So since wena uhlala eBashley na uhlala lapha eMayibuye ne. Do you think ukuthi wena okay ngicela uqala ngawe ne because iMayibuye is too ghetto. Do you think ungakwazi ukuhlala lapha eMayibuye like unga survive for how long? For how long so?
Maybe 2 months. But
2
I
months?
can
You
survive
can
actually,
because
I
vele
used to
vele buchilo athi.
I used to visit here like during the holidays. In the time in Eastern Cape. Man, I would go to Bashley first and then come this side.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So would you survive with private? Khetha isilungu.
No, I would.
Ne?
I would.
But ndathemba yes because I feel like isilungu izinto zakho ju.
Not I izinto zami per se, but like
Ngayibamba
yeah,
kodwa.
yeah.
Okay. Kesharp ke. Amana ubhuti yapha ungiphethele i-questions esikhoyo nami ngiphethele sibethe man. Ungentweni. Sisho isixhosa ndithi.
Okay, babe, man. I say my question straight. I tell. Is to get to
Usazana.
Izune. And school.
Okay, yeah. Ukanobulera ukwa.
So, mina ngize ngenda ukuthi ngifuna ukwazi yabona ukuthi buya kuphi or just like ngishilo. So ngizongitshela nge-teen life yini. Isn't like mankhula. Listen, akahlala teen esigele. Yeah, for nina
High school.
Yeah, high school,
like
high school right.
Yeah, I think yeah, high school is right. Yeah, unyanisile. Because xa sesiqalise wayibethwa carry pin up no asifuni lo way.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, in high school.
Life yakhona Gresham.
And plus uzogqiba yabo and sozogqiba how do you
Honestly,
feel?
I think in my high school, from my experience, high school, bro, especially when it comes to peer pressure, kuya ngawe. Because obviously high school uzothola abangani aba-corrupt, uzothola abangani aba-right, uzothola abangani abapasayo why be-corrupt. So honestly, high school, it's up to you.
Yes,
Ukuthi uthanda izinto na.
No.
So because una grade 8, sharp.
Oh, ne.
Manje
Wenza matric lo muntu uthi grade 8 besharp cha.
Mamela.
Because I know but okay.
Okay, grade 8, angitshelanga nokujwayela ngiyakutshela.
Ngizokushaya wena.
Grade 8, yeah.
innocent soul.
Very innocent. And then obviously when corruption bro, Rockham was very corrupt. Grade 9, okay, sengiyabona ukuthi okay, 1 + 1.
1 + 1 is 2. Okay.
And then grade 10.
Okay.
Honestly, I haven't experienced a lot. Because there's nothing like even no banker.
Uthetha ke
Ubhanka.
No, I've never banked.
Oh.
And there's no bank.
Manje wena bongumuntu leyo nama-squad and stuff ngoba mostly wonke umuntu uyadlula kule stage leso. Sekuba nama-squad.
I would say
Yeah. Kind of vibes kahle kahle.
not exactly. I don't have a lot of friends. Maybe let's say group here just by 4, 3, or 1 but change school and then the next day thola abanye abangani futhi.
Xola. Almunu.
Honestly, I didn't experience a lot, but like ngibonile sho. Aziyabuya le. Ziyabuya. I have umuntu obhayizayo sho high school.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, can I answer a question?
Yeah, I answer this.
So, guys, when we are Eraba Rich, right?
Yeah.
And come to think of it, Eraba Rich, you corrupt. Yeah, so when we associated, I was associated with people who were corrupt. You see. So, figure one, high school, it was a thing of the figure and papa, brah.
Oh.
You know, like the figure and papa,
corrupt.
brah.
Hey.
Funding, we community.
Yo,
guys, yeah, and like so my grade 8, I'm grade 8 in pap, you see, and like I was like in I'm being ngobantu aba
We are corrupt now, honestly. Some of
yeah ichom abanye mara be one to corrupt
so buna chomza makhalati.
no, I didn't have ichom zamakhalati.
Maxhosa and Zulu.
And
Okay. To start with ngara
no
ba.
era very rich benazo shem ichom zami ngamakhalati honestly.
Oh, clinky.
And then okay, and then yeah, as in the cool then I won back, okay, fine. If I associate myself with Lumtu, because bese ngiqaba close na. Cause grade 8, xa ngumla kahle bentene crush nebuhle.
Okay.
So
Yeah. And Sophia let you
So,
yeah.
it's a thing of ndaqala close na lo mntu lona ebechaya, yabo. Benitsho mamichaya and I can't mention the name. No, it's a girl.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
Crush again.
No, nditsho ba like icho myam ibingugel then crush guy.
Oh, okay. And umuntu abechaya bimba.
Guy ebiku grade 11.
Okay. Yeah, unonza tribani.
8.
No,
But like, honestly, I'm judging. And honestly, like, my in high school, you're always gonna have a crush.
Yeah.
Even though, like, you know what's deep down low, I'm told, but like,
No, poviane.
So
Okay.
yeah, as this man is theta, ndaqala distance from aba, yabo, aba baby rights, yabo. Okay, mna brand like ekhaya bebengakwazi afford imali ukuthi ngithenge lunch every day, so I couldn't this forced kwabanye abantwana yabo. But my mom yazama ukuthi like you get the rights. Fine. Basimane sibahlozi. Okay, lo ebechaya. Okay, now go sachaya. But like uchayinsango, so I always had to be there. Like I was always there just so that banzokwazi ubona crush yabo.
Oh, okay. So ungakhumisi ke wena. Hey, andikwazi. Ten lips izinje.
Inyongo.
Okay.
Guys. And then it was the thing of now we switch to uzoshama area and konda and that's what it's because there's ngedisi indize le yakho.
crush khona.
Yabo. So yeah. Ndafana out by crush nayo uyandifuna but ayonto iyephi yabo. So yeah. And then ndabona grade 9 ndabona ba I have to distance myself yabo because ndabona ukuthi if ever ndiyamlanda nonto lo qobela ndichaya bra yabo ndisense
So umthetho apha mbili khala do rebingu.
habi
No can amakhala.
Owambala. I think
Yeah,
like,
like
guys,
you.
since Steve Biko wayilwela ba singenzi Africans. Alo Steve Biko wasolekela into ezinjalo ba like Africans singayenzi into ntoni but thina sayiya. Ngicinga ba sigcwele thina pha la nto le kahle. Steve Biko simbetrayile guys but it's fine. Xolo tata.
Because number like when Africans honestly.
Okay ne. Yeah, but I feel like abazali xa bengabe bathi suya kwa because thina sipha kumgava afana igovernment.
bra yabona la nto Fendini mina bra ukhona kwami yabona raba rich ne ndaniphathe every day ukutya ndiphathe pie intoni yabo ipizza nditshintsha every day but umgava bebufuna because ngikhulekazi.
Kasi.
So it was a thing of ndingazenzi better just because of
Honestly, nase-primary yami umgaba bebekhona. And wangazi number 1 actually.
Bra.
But because
No,
I
no,
knew to bufunda yima primary kubufunda emakhaya ne.
Emakhaya,
And
yes.
emakhaya yacaba mfethu emakhaya ne. Angikaze ngafunda emakhaya ne but ngangizwile ngamakhazi nami ngangiwavasha ukuthi bekune vorce. Bekuphatha ne vorce.
Vorse.
Ngapha ne vorce.
Bra.
Bro, esikoleni sami Monday. It was amasi, I think. No, amasi by Wednesday. Monday, bekuyinyama. Like nyama, straight and Tuesday, angikhumbuli nani.
Did you
But
know?
like
Did you
Wednesday,
know?
kanjani?
Undide.
Did you
Mara
know?
did you know?
Yeah, nah,
Mara.
Ukhona la.
Mara. Ukhona nalapha.
Mhm.
Okay.
Did you know?
Yeah.
Kuzo
Okay.
So bengiphaka umgaba bashe emakhaya.
Mm.
Bengiphaka so mangifika ePhumlong. ePhumlong angithina umgaba wakhona shem honestly ngamaxele kupha hayi kabi. Like it wasn't neat. But like it was isikolo sakhona silikazi naso so it was okay and then which is manifio no came it was a different story. Because ngiyafika la kugcwala abantu. Akunamgabava ngapha like kumele ucarry every day uyathenga every day.
Yo, bra.
So I was like rather uthenga every day ngcono ngicarry once.
Okay. Mamelani guys ne. Masiphume kancinci kwesikolo. Yabo?
Okay.
Ne vibe yesikolo ne but ngifuna size ne vibe so that the questions xa sesizicutha ne nathi singaziba ubone like abantu bazoba ide bathethe nini ngezinye izinto ebenzwe eBlawe yabo. So fine. Guys, ngifuna ukubuza mina ne. Nginibuza nithu ne. Ubhuti uzoncedisa sihlekeni bemani nani nizobuza. Uprefera uguy ohlala ku suburbs or ohlala ekhaya and why? Ucela uqale wena sisi uphendule. Andingabinde but andingabinde ba. Kuliba kuyayithini into. Ithini into.
Honestly, like I can't choose. I was getting below yomuntu. Yeah. So, bra if umuntu respect, if you clean, if you right like bra like yeka background. Focus on
the background.
We keep background which ones I don't go up. As long as they're right, I respect her. But I wouldn't mind even if we can like us.
Oh, so when I prefer ikas.
I'm not choosy.
Oh, you're not choosy.
I'm not choosy. Yeah.
So even even in I could write. I know it. Because of your like when the jar I could write when I because ungamjola umuntu waseka wale le
Yeah, I would.
okay. So when you change this
Honestly, for me, I'd say like
and we're honest. Okay.
I feel like abahlala my suburbs, bro, they don't know life.
Yeah, they don't.
They don't know life and
Definitely the quick.
respect. I feel
Abanani.
like
Banai.
most yabo
Impolite, ne?
people are so nonchalant.
Oh, ne?
Into endicunukelayo
Hey.
leyo. Like into endicunukelayo leyo.
Ne?
I feel like mna like ngifuna umuntu like oyazi impilo, ohloniphayo. That's very important.
I feel like uyazi impilo yahlonipha.
I feel
Yes.
like abayazi impilo
Yazi-
so le ezokuhlonipha nje.
I'm really wrong with him.
And I feel like you have to know your background.
That's rich.
Because like imagine, let's say you introduce a Kai. And then when you're fig out, screw report.
Yo.
Like let's say my figure, like my introduce my mom. Ukhulula isingazi, ujonga like awumjongi.
Yeah.
Ujonga
Kumzali
ukhombisa
banesidima.
Guys.
like kumele ukhombise inhlonipho like inhlonipho kumele angayifundise kowenu cha nawe kumele uzifundise inhlonipho. So I feel like mostly I watch his boy.
Okay.
Abana.
Ne abanala way junior. Okay. Ndakuva Ju.
Because like imagine umuntu uyambuza like izithakazelo zakhe umuntu akazazi.
Uzothi Manika, we went there.
No, masakazela ezindlovu.
Yeah, Ndlovu, abaphansi. Abaphansi they will laugh. Okay. Okay,
So
yeah.
I feel like ngifuna umuntu ozaziyo.
Oh, okay. Kosuzazi.
So ngathi kuningi la ama secret enibaphethe so manje
Hayibo.
ufuna ukwazi
Yeah.
abafana ngoba maningi athi
Ini?
Ama-secret kanjani?
It's like ngibabona kanjani
Abobani?
abafana.
Yini?
Sorry, like kanjani?
Ngizobeka kanjani?
Eh.
Ama-jokes, not like ama-jokes ne, but ama-weak moments, so yeah.
Yima, so yazi nama iphumna okay because abosiza besilungu mina mara isilungu angisazi but mama bazongicisa but uthi wena weak jokes like uthi weak jokes utheni mfuthu okay uthi yini ke
Ama-jokes like
yeah
abantu bekhuluma ngakhona kahle se-describe i-preference yakho ama-G2 time ufuna umuntu ohloniphayo akafika endlini obvious ekhiphe peace. So obvious khona i-stories eninazo esayidini leni ukuthi hayi abafana kumele bayenze so not like abafana benze example like khona enye ukuthi hayi abafana kumele basiphathe ngale ndlela lezi
ungandamuva kancinci ubhuti to a point ukuthi yazi uthini
Like
nebufuna
angimva kahle.
awumva kahle
Yeah.
so ubhuti ne angikho nami ne
yeah
but ubhuti ngifuna ngathi uthi like i-secret nazo because uyamva uthini bese ngayazi ukuthi thina xa ufika umfana xa ifika kwamele athule caps ne like athule caps ayibeka nisinike tips nasenze ba okay xa sifika phiphi sithini yabo tips ezathetha ngazo umjida
Okay, you first thing like ma approach intombazana.
yeah
Like
plate.
you don't do that. You
okay
Oh, imagine it's so disrespectful, honestly.
or umbize like umchaze.
even though umazi ne like umazi gama lakhe awumelanga uyenze la uyile
Yeah, uye straight.
so ngizobuza lena like
Hayi kaloku, hayi
So like it's very important like indlela oza ngayo approach ngayo. Baleka kakhulu. Basically kuyadependa kwi-mood yami. Let's say I'm in a very bad mood. If you are born like I'm not like angifuni, ungaforce.
okay
Like leyo foster yo.
enunyanisile mjida yazi kwenzakala nikhutshu
sure
I remember ne okay xolweni ngoba ke like kume kancinde do remember ndithi ndizimisele ne I think but during lockdown yabo ndizimisele ngithi vele ngidlala intombazana yabo but I'm not sure if lockdown was looting because after lockdown it was looting of which is yonke into ibilandelelana yabo so I think it was looting time loyo nyaka 2021 hayibo ugirl ngiyamlanda so guys ngifuna ukubuza kune ugirl momlanda lena shaya ibhomu umkhapha usuku ungachazekanga urakakho kumuthi because like hello njani bom ngiyaphila amanibheka amamela namajita amabili bana ngicela nje ungiphinde bayi ngamanama uthini indaba ugirl bomb hayibo guys ngizofika le kwasathane mfethu ngiyoze ngifika kwasathane ushaya ibhomu
But also lento le yamantombazane ukuthi maybe if ever a trend comes yabo nathi sithule lanto le ayicorrect
ne
because I feel
yiyo
like
lesiphotshisayo yiyo
umxelele
lesiphotshisayo
umuntu
Ba
ba
awukuthetha like
anifuni uthetha okanye ndiyajwala okanye nditheni like umxelele nyana
ya uthi kuba ngifuna uthethe uyabo
ungamlindisi manje kulandele because
But-
even ungathethi uzomane kulandelela
ne okay majita lawa lalele nani nibhekile ne sorry for ukukhuluma lento ne but I feel like amantombazana njengoba eshusisa ukuthi i-wrong lento ukuthi bathule mangabe sibalanda nathi I feel like i-wrong lento ukuthi if umuntu awumthanda ungamtsheli amantombazana bikuthanda
uthini ba
like intombazana bayikuthanda ne wena awuthandi mara awutsheli I feel like i-wrong yabo nami sengiyasho ukuthi nathi ethe wrong kule gender yethu yabo ya sengiyishelo leyo nto ukuthi ayikho right la wena guys ashintsheni 2026 manje nithi ashintshe mara majita ashintshile serious men conference besikhuluma ngani 31st eziningi okay ngaxolisa mafethu angihlabalazi okay ngiyanizwa ke so guys since nini ne nanifuna ubuze into ningafanele ubuza is in like amajita so that nizoyazi mhlawumbe ubani ufuna ubuza bakho ithini
okay ukubuza ke ezumfana mawubona intombazana lethe uyayibona yawalk uyaqala uyibona igcwele as amajita and then bese niyenza lento yenu like yopompana ukuthi okay kuyabani why niyenza leyo because I feel like honestly you guys are just doing it like
just to
Nje
impress
for
your
fun.
friends.
just for your aura or nigain aura or ukuthi amajita like ancome like why
Bhuti ngicela uqala uphendule because mina mangiphendule ne ngizoyikhulumela.
Awona ngiyakamle.
Mm.
Into le angazi njengoba yini reason yakho letho. Mara sikhe sayikhuluma kuma conference. Udading kahle I think ukhula.
Yeah.
Yabona
And futhi nalokho elimombhekile special kuba hayi angafanele ukhutshwe than mina yabo because mina I feel like ukuthi hayi mina child is too much yabo so ukhutshwe because ungathi ukhuluma nawe uye lapha because and plus masihlezi ngamajita ne sometimes nokuthi ugqoke yasacavana mhlawumbe ugqoke into eshwabene yabo angiphetha ngikho mayifika leyo lokho lozothi wow shwabene so ukhutshwe namazi ayimele yabo yeah and ngiyafika ba like they were meant to be together. So I think leyo siphendlele ne I think ifumeni ne that's as pompa sithi ha emphethe ya wena wena mfethu njengoba sibaningi njengoba let's say si5 i3 yavumba kuhamba yini
ke ngoku what if it happens maybe you are dating uyela ntoni ekhaya
no ingenzeka I think ithi ngiphendule ingenzeka ukuthi like awumthanda again ojola naye
ufuna
yeah usafuna move on because I don't think mina ku right ukuthi ufuna umjolo ongekho happy kuwo.
No, but like
nowadays
kumele uqale move on from le.
Mara I think thina samajita move on fast.
Puti ayi okay maybe as far as abantu as
yeah as far
but potential put okay put my voice put besikhulumile okay but yeah I think move on fast mangabe vele sazi ukuthi into beyenzeka slowly ngisho kwamele sisenze i-opposite if yenzeka slowly into must move fast if yenzeka fast into must move slowly yabo so
man sithi ngibona ngathi bonding ne very strong so elwazi ama-kill code way and waphethe divele this one amele ngasawabreak si2 noma sikayenza
mara what if ama-girl code wethu ama-secret wethu
okay but akwenzeki ukuthi wonke abe ama-secret
yeah
As long as uyazi
kwebani ngadlala
but like as long as uyazi umngane wakho ekhaya akayithandi leyo obviously you won't do it. You don't really have girl code.
I mean nami ngizomkhuza xa esenza into wrong naye ngizomkhuza yabo
okay
yeah
so okay ngicela mina unibuza ne okay ngizonibuza ne ufuna umbuza 1 ufuna uyazi ba okay fine wena ne ezu othandwayo aka avela okay yabo ngifuna uyazi ba xa ngabe ungasekho ne so like so ukhazule amafuka bebhakethi ufuna bakhumule ngantoni apha maybe since ukhulele apha
bra mina honestly ne apha maybe andazi like abantu abaninzi abandazi abantu abaninzi abandazi
bangathuka noba uhlala apha maybe
bra bangothuka
hayi wena
yo
zakushaya
ngiyakutshela yabo so I mean andinazi memories neziningi yeah
so okay since ungenazi memories eziningi ngicela uthethelele aba ke bahlala esitrapeni sakho so akwenzeki kuba abakwazi nabo abahlala sakho uchuba like bangakhumula ngantoni
angikhumula ngantoni bra esatheni sami ngikhumbula njengomntana ongaphumiyo like umntana uhlale ehleli endlini
Ngibona once in a while.
banibona xa ngecaweni banibona once in a while
ngecaweni
bra ndiyakhonza mina
ngephi icawa
i-Methodist
ngephi ke ngokuleyo
United Methodist
le bethu la weyicephe
Yeah.
icephe
yeah bra
yo I love that cawe
ndabetha ndabra so yeah a lot of people would know me alone
aloyi
would remember me actually
wena uthi ntombi
Enokem or
I think masivele uthi apha emhlabeni wonke umhlaba jikelele because andithi abantu abahla uzula yonke indawo uthi useDurban usemakhaya uphiphi
so I feel like honestly since life yam like iqale la eGoli kahle kahle so I feel like mostly abantu abaninzi bandlula
okay
like honestly na everywhere go kumele nazi ukuba okay lo umXhosa
and uyafika amajita
nonsense mina I don't take it
serious man ubuke ngathi nice wena
I am nice no
but
I am
yazi
nice
unice nesisi but ndikubona ukuba unjonga ba akho nice because bengothuphi ba yabona we okay
I am nice honestly I am nice I'm very nice but like
ungaqheli
nama-boundaries kahle
hayi amaXhosa jo nami ngiyawasaba
I'm very kind honestly
okay
because andimfuna umuntu odelelayo
Oh, ngoba udelele nawe ungathi ufuna umuntu. Oh, hey,
Yeah,
ungathi ufuna umuntu edelele kanti
Funeka in.
different level zakhe.
Yeah.
Bheka man uhle ngizathi akafuna amaXhosa ne ngike ngaza le story
Okay.
Ang-
Mara ungalusi labantu basekhaya ngibathanda ngamaXhosa. Ngiyawasaba. Okay, so
Ngiyasibumbeki that one manje ngiyamuza uhle ukuthi ayithi awathandi ne our date so ufuna ukwazi why le nto iyenzeka
Why ini asisi?
amaXhosa angadate
angatsho lodwa.
yeah not like men ajole wodwa ne
Like why bengafuni ujola na?
yeah
Let me tell
Or
you why.
ukuhluleka.
Let me tell
and
you
ngathi
why.
Julie
Even though bezamile.
Yabo, the thing is amaXhosa ne.
Mm.
Firstly, we don't tolerate nonsense. We don't tolerate cheating. Wasiqala no, because honestly, like sikhani honestly. But like ungasiqali. So I feel like most men they fear Xhosa women because they know dangerous. Awukwazi udlala ngabo.
And ke ngoba since singamaXhosa soyi2 siyayazi.
Siyayimela into eqala.
But kuyafana nje njengoba echilo umjita lo asijoli sodwa singamaXhosa. Yinto etsho ba asijoli sodwa and uthi ube kanjalo yena.
But ingxaka amaXhosa ne akwada. So
So-
uzothi usathi ngithuka ngithuke nami. You understand?
So ucinga ba lonto le.
Asithuli kahle kahle.
Oh.
Yes, asingabo yes.
Okay, namcela iphendule lo wini futhi. Futhi cela iphendule lo wini.
sure
Lokuthi amaXhosa uthi wena awazwani wodwa. Like
No,
like
like
not
awazwani-
awazwani wodwa. Mara angeke ajole wodwa,
Yeah.
ajole wodwa. Yeah, iyafana lo like say like awavani wodwa at some point. But okay unyanisile. But mina andifeel lo pressure. Because okonjola namaXhosa kakhulu. Okonjola namaXhosa 1 year, 2 years. NamaXhosa sayibamba lo way because man
Yeah.
but inkingi one but if ngathi ngiyayiphendulela lo question yakho ne ngisho ukuthi amaXhosa awafuni ujola wodwa because sadelelana isethi ungiqhela jo intoni ngo like endlini
Like
ukuthi
ngicela nami ndidelele.
enungakhona ubeka thina yithi amakhaladi sinto eyi1 sisuka sonke le Eastern Cape Western Cape nase Northern Cape yabo so I would say ngabe niphendulela lo way yakho ukuthi angeke sihlale angeke inkunzi kwamele beyi1 inhloko yomuzi ngeke manje bafuna inhloko yomuzi beyi1 yabo abafuni and manje ukubheka kwamanye ama-tribe ne especially pedi people muthwaka ngibona bayisezwe lapha mos zibambene yabo
Like even Zulu, like yo, like I feel like amantombazana amaZulu. Ngavele.
But they're so like
No,
they're
like bayahlonipha bona, bayahlonipha.
respectful.
but suthi sifuna ukuhlonitshwa
It's something like even if like balalela umthetho, even if ungathi yenza le bazoyenza. Yebo baba.
Not bonke bra.
Amazulu.
AmaZulu ba rude.
baruta
AmaZulu
namangele so sithokozulalela
AmaZulu.
but I wouldn't say a rude
AmaZulu.
I wouldn't say a rude because nami ngafila ashamed mangabe ngathi I feel like tribalism xa sithi rude amazulu ne
Okay, not
okay yeah so I feel like ungavela uthi impola nje and futhi angeke ndithi because abantu abafani ndibaninzi yabo
Yes.
that's why I feel
fana
like
namaXhosa xa besithi lento ze bonke ba disrespectful.
Okay so mamel ne so nani question engifuna uyibuza ne like intoni ongayixelela abantu andihlali mayibuyi intoni enhle ongayixelela abantu wena ngemayibuyi abangayaziyo
No.
enhle ungathi uxela into embi ngamayibuyi uthi amehlo ne
Mayibuye. Kumnandi mayibuye bra. As much as ndingaphumi but kumnandi. Guys, yama lo mntento olapha. Uyenza perfect mayibuye.
How mama
Shout out.
how okay yabonga okay should
Yeah.
be better
The
kamanje
good thing is ne ba ubuhle ukudibanisa abantu bra.
ne
Like
Ndiyayenza
udibanisa
into.
communities,
ne
which is a good thing.
ne
Yeah.
I feel like thank you so much intoni sisi wena ungatsho ngempilo imandi ngempilo abantu bangayazi
Emnandi.
imandi
Okay, uthi. Okay. Especially like there's nothing much. Like it's just safe. Safe especially ama-bomb gate, it's very safe. There you can walk. Nango 9 ebusuku you can walk. Kuma-bomb gate. It's very safe.
Very safe ne
Mara into engibhorayo, hayi. Like abamakhelwane bami angibazi shem.
oh
Angibazi. And into engibhorayo, let's say it's a weekend, it's on a Saturday. uyaphuma endlini smell sebraya sizoba sibuyaphi
Yo,
awusazi noma sibuyaphi
nomoya wazi.
Yo.
Ngomoya ba
Xhosa.
iyakhetha
like
ukuthi iya
bro,
ngapha
even if it's your
na.
neighbors ngeke baku-invite labantu la Hey, so it's boring
Okay.
sometimes.
Okay, I know.
bheka man sithi muzokhuluma ngabo ebobaba so dayile izenqoleni yami ukuthi andisiboni niba abo wife material vibe like
we can but like all I can say is that like angifuni into ocontrolayo
Yeah.
uzobona lanto ukuthi okay lalele sami isicathulo la imosha imithetho so I don't want that
mara
so I feel like as long as soyi-two
Ngirespect.
Bambisana.
like sobambisana soyi-two
Mm.
loyo ukuthi kumele ngimamele wena
Ungangitshela ukuthi ngigqoke into engaka. Yonke.
mara I think lento into bezenza kudala khona ama youth ama 2000
Guys.
for example
Bakhona
Akhona ingqolo kancane ngiyabuya ngoku ne.
yeah
okay bakhona abanye
acontrolayo so
yes but like ayisaculanga I feel like into yakudala leyo and maybe like I feel like abanye basazama ukuthatha leyo culture leyo so that they can gain more power especially man
And also masikhuluma
Mm.
like bananto ukuthi like wena komele ukhulume into noma yini mina ngingakhulumi
kanjani manje
kahle because like some guys ne bathanda ukuthi let's say wena ne
yeah
like ukhuluma anyhow and then you expect me to respect you.
yeah
That's something else.
yeah I get it
let's say maybe like siyaxabana or something happened and then you just talk to me anyhow and then when I do it
into
which is like
enye futhi
we have to respect
so
each
man
other, like
bheka manje ngifuna uyazi nge-social life yenu ukuthi yini abantu eniphumayo isn't like groove or spiritual isn't like aside le church
yazi mahlala nomantuli okay honestly we don't groove nje ama-house party nani no a lot of my friends have invited me before with nge-house party nge-le but no
so
Into yase-
ever since wakhona zange nakayi-1 nyani
groove
yeah
No.
I wouldn't say it was groove because like it was December 2024 like we were just chilling drinking it wasn't actually groove
phuze
yes maybe ngo December nakhona not all the time or maybe ngangemakhaya like emigidini yabo that's where I drink
Ubuyile ke.
otherwise nje randomly I don't drink
so umngane wakho wena yeah
Mina bra like okay like esikhathini esiningi ngiya esontweni. Okay, I don't really go all the times ne.
Yeah.
Yabo
Yeah.
nje namhlanje
Just online mosona
Angiya.
on Sunday.
andiyanga.
Dazala.
No guys, like andiyanga namhlanje. Okay, not all the time but like
yeah
Nobele ke mna guys,
Bele.
nobele. Sisele kancinci nje. Yabo lo way nobele ndafundisa. Kanti ukhutshwe ndakuvimba wena kancinci. Ndakuvimba
so
kancinci.
yeah. Kunjalo as a question. Asikisi
Xolo ndim ingxaki kusona.
uprefera I prefer man ngifuna uyazi nge-social life yenu ukuthi niyavaya into zama-groove or into zama-church yabo
Oh, and also ne mina ngithanda impilo private. Like I don't like ukuthi umuntu azi ukuthi ngiyenza ini. Like my
Yeah.
next move, I don't like that. You see?
And you found a private school like private.
Bruh, like even if ndifunda phane
Mm.
like obviously abantwana bapha babuye endaweni ezi-different and also
Yeah.
babuye ekasi, you see. So sonke sibuye impilo different,
Oh, yeah.
you see.
honestly impilo yakho akumelanga
And that's why, and I feel like that's why I go to a private school. Because wonke umuntu private like akafuna usiveza yabo thina la in public so sizaziveza bathi like kasi Josie phuma manje fight after school yonke into ethi public okay
So
yobuthi
yeah,
athethe
and angithanda ukuthi
oh yeah
like angifuni ukulose isidima sami.
okay should igcinele emthathweni lo way
Yeah, ngigcinele alright.
okay usebephendula question usebephendula
I feel like
okay tell me ukuthi
And
question
also isidima ezintombazane
yo
something else.
yabo nomjita uzodwa
Okay,
tuzokumantombe
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Guys, nansi question in 9. So guys, if you are president for 24 hours, into ongayichange kule environment esiphila kuyo. 24 hours should by one day away kuthi nje change something apha eMzantsi nje lo mini usichinja zonke ungatshintsha nongoqala
angazi ngayichinja njani ne
Mm.
but like I feel like into emele ichinja South Africa
GBV okay
I feel like leyo it has to change
Okay,
ukuthi
yeah.
kanjani andazi but I feel like that's the main
when so if ngabe president ungasho ba mayichinje but I feel like njengoba
And-
ipresident nik president ngokuzothi hayi andazi mina GBV andazi guys
And
come
also-
on
what else
Oh, mna
imisebenzi bra like
Yeah.
imisebenzi abantu bayidinga imisebenzi
misebenzi and I think i-13 tontoni% ngoku ne Yeah. Yeah,
because
growth.
unemployment is very high
very high and akumelanga be high kwamele be low like high
because I feel like bro South Africa we can manage like ukuthi sizakhele izinto like South Africa but I feel like most of our governments they are selfish
okay
nalento ukuthi like basebenzisene namanye ama-countries we can't stand on our own just that
okay
sinabo Ramaphosa
okay wena ungathini ke sis
ngingatshintshi
GBV oh anipro hayi GBV ayithanda okay it's fine so qhubeka
Yebo.
izapho ngedlala
Beka mana uthi GBV ngifuna understand the part of GBV
because obviously GBV
Ngathi-
ingena kwabantu abayi2
and
Yeah.
good genders
yeah and
So
ngathi
uthini?
i-debate abroad
basically killing women
but namagezi ayabulayo
they
namathi
are getting killed but like as
Yebo.
long as bro you're focusing on GBV
Mm.
because like at the end of the day like male solve even if like it's women killing men or men killing women
okay
because like people
bra-
are dying every day in South Africa
yimeke
and like
okay ngicela ukubuza ne?
Mm.
since kuthiwa uzoba ugovernment uzoyitshintsha ndani GBV because after all you can't see abantu xa besenzisa
nyanisile and futhi I feel like uRamaphosa naye ngeyitshintshile if
ngidala
ukuthi akulula
itshintshiwe bra
so wena ufeel ngathi uthuma irobot
abantu azowenza njani but like ensure more safety like in some places
Okay, I
maybe
have
eKasi.
and now but ngicela uphendule lo question
Ekazi.
because I feel like ikomele siyiphendule so nami siziphendulele
e-GBV
yeah ukuthi wena if ungaba upresident for
24 hours.
24 hours
okay
ungenzani
mna bra
Into
like
ongayikhipha.
nokususa abantu esitrateni aba bahlala esitrateni because I feel like ngaba ba-eda
I-unemployment or inkunzi
no inkunzi
inkunzi
Yebo.
yeah
so ungabasusa like bra noba ungabasa
i-water but
Kwi-rehab.
home or ntontoni
yeah even if
Housing.
ke bayachaya but bachayelele bebodwa you understand
bebodwa ne
Yeah.
also awufuni bayeke uchaye
no anditsho obviously
Oh,
bazozikhethela impilo abayifunayo yabo
phofu nyani
So-
ngoba uyitshaya laa nto leyo usa-right
you see
Mm.
and so that at least ezitrateni kuzoba clear you see and also nalaa nto yokuthi ube popular ne
Mm.
or ube nezinto laa nto leya futhi iyabambisana inkunzi
Oh.
so if ever nawe uyabona ukuthi ichomi yakho bra like
Mm.
iyaqhawuka like mbonise bra uba like so na so i-wrong into so na so i-wrong
So yinto ongayithetha noyi-president
yeah
okay so bhuti uthini wena
okay mina ne
asusa abantu nje ikazi
into engibhekile so far esayidini lami
Mm.
yabona isigela isivale isigela
Eh.
isivale isigela in such a way like kube nemisebenzi I don't see into imisebenzi yesigela
Mm.
once umuntu avele angene emsebenzini yeah improve i-economy yethu ngoba yinto ebad kwami
so ufuna wonke umuntu
So
eyosebenza yike isikolo zivalwe
yeah
because ufeel ngathi le yonke le 12 years
no hayi bheka hayi 12 years old nganathi isigela maybe siphelele ku-grade 8 Then-
okay
Then
from
there-
grade 1 to 8 kahle kahle into yokuthi ukhona ukufunda kuphela
No, but I feel
then
like-
from 8 to 12 uthola usebenzi whatever career
oyifunayo
uyifunayo because in some
But-
other countries that's what is being implemented
remember as from abantwana ne masi abantu
Ukhula.
mawulibela ukhula
Mm.
obviously ufunda from esikoleni ufunda i-respect ufunda into so na so you see
Mm.
uma ufika high school uzofika uyi-teenager uzoshintsha you see
Mm.
and also if ever let's say ubuqa ufuna something efana neyo obvious uzogcina sekabamba inkunzi in a way you understand
Mm.
so isikole ziyasinceda
and I feel like uma ungene high school
Ukuthi
that's
like
where
u-
like you find ukuthi okay mina ngifuna ukwenza so na so
Mm.
that's where like ubona ukuthi okay impilo yami ayingaba so uma ngingatshintsha ngoba so I feel like high school is such an experience ukuthi
Yeah.
like so uyakhona udecide ngelife yakho ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani
ngcono umuntu aziphumele esikoleni
But
aziphumele
guys ukhutsho ne mamela phela ngisho mayifuna into efana neyami uzofunda uzofuna ne-iphela
And then
ka-grade 8 and uzohamba yosebenza phela uyisebenzele into ayifunayo. Okay, mina ne-guys
Yeah, in a way yokuthi
uyayifuna
kumele ba-introduce ama-career before
grade 8 before ixesheni because abantu abaninzi bayasiyeka isikole. Isikole abantu abaninzi bayasiyeka bayahlukene ama-gap year nokuthi
Yeah.
abantu bayahlukene. Vele umuntu vele vele bewonke umuntu. Okay guys, for mina yamcala ne. Abantu uyabiza ugesi. So I feel like uyabiza ugesi. So xa ubiza so ugesi ne, I feel like ugesi mawube free guys ne. Because vele vele mawube free ugesi but ingxaki important one. Mawu free ugesi ne, abantu baplug ama-trolley. Yabo, baplug ama-trolley. Yabo noma intoni manje kuba and le nto lena iyashisa bayuza careless. Yabo, but ugesi bengifuna if ngu-government ngisho ukuthi ugesi mawungadude wikudura khona ne. And enye into abafana bahlala kwawo umhlaba. So that i-GBV izobonakala ba ithini ingxaki yayo. Apapanisheka amajita. GBV maqala ubeka isandla usokula country le ukuthi wena ubuyi uyakholisa i-taxi. After from i-taxi give se into ikusele leya country lokuthi ushaya umfazi wena kancane nje. I think nefika bayi-government president ngiyathatha lo way.
Like ifane ne-disciplinary
Ntontoni
Yeah,
because
that's better.
I feel like if ngabuza ngoku ne guys nicinga ba i-right la nto kuthiwa into la nto ejele ukuthi life ntontoni sentence
Yeah,
uba
yeah.
like lesigwebo lesentamo lesikuthi mawufika ejele uyabulawa
death sentence.
yeah death.
And like right yona but like sometimes abantu baya-frame for marriage.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
at some point
Mm.
but uyambona ngithi wena hey wena ngiyadlala ngiyadlala guys but okay yani inyanisile but ke mina if ngawo government ajonga ndaxelela jo high school grade 20
Ah.
bakufundwe obamba igap year yabulawa gap year oyabulawa abantu not gap year sorry othatha udrop out of 20 years
yeah.
yeah but because vele into enjalo okay
Mara ubheka man. Ayuthi uyafuna umuntu lo asiphanga ngokufana.
phofu nyanisile hayi
What
abanye
is
abantu
Not as
baneskills
like gonna do
Yes,
baneskills
okay.
ngezandla
Yeah, so
abanye baneskills enyaweni like honestly guys iskills enyaweni khabe ibhola guys mara why mara guys mara zenyawo yabo guys
oh yeah.
so because into enjalo abanye bedlala ibhola into yabo
Yeah,
and futhi enye into guys ne funa utshela something ne guys before ngizobuza i-question but uphuthi uzobuza i-question guys do you know ukuthi iyenzeka lanto ukuthi umuntu ebefundisa wenza i-teaching and I think teaching is the best umuntu oyenza i-teaching ongasaboni iyakwazi uqhubeka nge-teaching
Where
ungasaboni
they can.
yazi lo way yeah iyakwazi ubuyisa i-teaching and futhi lanto like guys I feel like i-teaching is the best because uyakwazi because I feel like xa usebenza i-computer ntontoni mongasaboni ukuthi abahlala endlini uphiwa imali for 1 year kuthi hayi uzozibona because vele akasaboni iyothinta bakhe mahamba uzibona so I think teaching is the best yabo and futhi masingabe sibuyela ekasi khona enye question ngifuna uyibuza but after wena but ne question ngifuna uyibuza emandi kanyana under ama label mina ngifuna ukungabe ama label yabo but ngifuna uqale ubahlabe question yakhe emnandi before because ngiyazi ama question yakhe emnandi
But that's a question emnani. Ni question enginayo ama hobby. Yeah. Kahle on your spare time.
bathanda isnook
On your spare time, ngithanda ukuyenza.
bathanda isnook
Yeah.
Honestly, na on a sweet time, ngiyalala.
And phuma ama out.
I don't go out, like I don't go out. Mangiphuma endlini, especially like during school time. Mangiphuma, just know I'm going to a mall to buy, maybe to buy bread or something. Just enjoy the and then, or maybe ngiphuma ngiya esikolweni. I don't really go out, especially at night. I don't go out at night during school days.
School days no
Yes.
okay
question yakho
Ama hobby.
Ama hobby.
Into uthanda
So uthanda
uyenza.
i-spare
Uthanda
time.
uyenza, guys.
Hlezi online bedlala kodithetha
Guys,
bedlala
no like unyanisile bra
Yeah.
like into engithanda ngithanda upheka guys
abanyansi xa nithanda pheka
Yoo.
hayi wena shayibhodo mo
Yo bra like ngithanda upheka
but that's why bathanda pheka abantu and bapheka okay no
I be like,
udlala
yeah ngithanda upheka ngithanda ucula
Hayi
Oh,
sisi.
yeah, and she
Ima
can
guys.
sing.
No, ngicela
She can
emotion
sing.
kancane ne. Sisi, awu sisi awuhlabe nge1, awu sisi awuhlabe
She
nge1.
can sing, yo.
Ngiyabonakala amaXhosa amaninzi. AmaXhosa amaninzi.
Talented.
Wabantu abangumama. Ucula, ucula.
Okay, ngaphandle kwami.
Amanda Black, amifako like sengipha
Yeah,
Ngiyabona
exactly.
xa becula jo. Ngiyaqelela. No, khawucula lo jo.
Hayi bo, ngicula ndafundile.
Cula.
Okay, akhawucula.
Ngicula ntoni,
Or
guys?
unentloni.
Ndinentloni.
Ngibona.
Buhle ithini la ngoma le
Buhle
ubuhle
bakho.
bakho.
Le-
Like I mean like uhle nobuhle ngoku so wena vezo bakho.
Yitsho?
Le kamifako.
Ithini kani?
Buhle bakho,
Ubuhle
Golide.
bakho or le 047 yazi yona.
Oh, leya.
Ngowani?
Ithini? Ubuhle. Hayi ngeke ungowami.
Buhle.
047. Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, ndinevasi, niyabona ke. Yo, yabona ke zinto. Okay, guys, honestly. Yeah.
Cula ke.
Team cancer.
Okay.
So exercise nawe mfundini.
Qala.
Nithi ngicela iphi ngoma?
Ubuhle bakho.
Buhle bakho.
Oh, you can sing
National
You're the
anthem.
one by Elaine or
Woo, you.
Yeah, or you or I. Ka Elaine.
Either one.
You or I. Yabona ibhale
Oh,
you.
UI.
You I.
Understand.
Yeah.
I still.
Still ingancedisa mfethu ntswembu namo.
Angiyazi nawo.
Still
Okay, cula le.
really sure.
Nithi ngicela iphi?
Afuna ucula.
Guys,
Okay. If afuna ucula ndikubuza question uzophendula.
hayi.
Okay.
Okay, wait, what's the question first?
Cula.
Ithini ndicela iphi ngoma?
Buhle bakho.
Buhle.
Or noba ngowami is fine. Bona uthandayo.
Guys, manje ngizoshake yazi phela.
Okay.
Phela yabona xa
Bam.
phambi kwabantu ne?
Kuba
Ne
mwasi.
nerves.
Hayi bona bathu.
Okay, qala sho.
Yo, sorry.
Mm.
Yeah. Like voice yami ibona abantu ne?
Okay, qala.
Like,
Okay.
yeah.
Cemela. Ndiyazi abantu bacula ucula.
Okay. Ubuhle balenzaka siyo buhle balenzaka siyo ubuhle balenzaka siyo ubuhle bakhe.
Yo!
Okay.
Nice voice.
It's going down. It's going deep.
Yeah, guys.
Ngizothanda ngikuthanda.
Sohlala ngicinga ngawe.
Yo.
Sohlala ndizifela ngawe.
Yo. Awu.
Guys,
Sharp,
ivoice
yeah,
yami
like
ine-
sharp.
Okay.
Sharp.
Okay. But okay, I feel like usitulele wethu.
Yeah.
Usitulele.
Kahle.
Inkosi. Okay guys, kukho into ekhoyo ne. Nibonile i-brands ezikhoyo, local brands. Ane kukho i-brands ezikhoyo like i-brands ubani o ngizoqala nge-brand endithandayo guys. O Converse ubani o Nike. But ngoku kukho i-brands iGuru nozamadala. Nazazi.
Coordination,
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
know.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wasayiphan iGuru nozamadala.
Zonke.
I-local brands. Oh, I basically.
Iwazamadala nekafezela.
Yeah, kafezela no Papastra. Leni iGuru ikaba.
Hayi kanti yazi.
Sicela, I think usicelo bonke mano akhono. Bathi ngibano lebu bonke mano sisa bayozinhle. So ingaba uthi awuyazi
I-brand yakhona.
i-brand le flower iGuru. Le flower ine color
Debe enekapsi
when inento then iwoza madala le into ingathi ipopa iphethe bag ezithu.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, nesithunzi. So guys, when unga prepare because izithu and why?
Le nepopane.
Eno papa
Yeah.
ene bag.
Yes, I feel
Why?
like it's more cool.
More cool. And why? Asozuvela more cool after kuba uphume kanjalo. Iza elaborate.
Elaborate further.
Mm.
I don't know. I haven't seen it yet. Like,
Mm.
but I feel like even the design yakhona.
Design yakhona, ne?
Yes.
Oh
I
yeah,
like
because
design yakhona.
it design yakhona is bringing like Italian tonton and the Scottish vibes.
Yes.
So when I and ndacinga ndapicture sikanqubela ke ngoku. Like ndapicture ithe woza madala phethe bag. Okay. So when uthini and yavela music videos. Woza madala vela kakhulu music videos
Yeah.
ezininzi. Nalezo nokonoko. noko onoroko nabo hamba nobani hayi le kabuhle kodwa hamba nobani but le esandofika hamba nobani le kaMiyane. So wena uthi ngephi ukhethayo?
Uzamatala.
Uzamatala. Oh, Ntande one, okay. Same vibe, same dondon.
Yeah.
Why?
I feel like it's more cool.
Yeah.
And okay, I'm not saying my guru is not.
But when uyangukuthi umuntu uthanda iphi?
Yeah. And iguru igqibofika ne?
No, sifika zonke but when
Same
uyangukuthi
time.
hayi no same time. Ifana nami xa ndazi iguru kune Uzamatala. But
No.
I would say Uzamatala ifike eqala yodondon yabo
Okay.
uyangukuthi
Yeah, but like, and also I would choose Uzamatala because iguru I feel like it's more overpopulated. Like wonke umuntu unxiba yona ngokubona. Yeah, xa uthi ujika ikona udibana nomuntu u-20 caps
Yes, intondon and especially lapha eBhayibheli.
yakhona.
Nebhesi understand. Ebhesi I understand ukuthi ebhesi mhlambi because umakha uthiwa umazi. Okay, wena futhi ungakhetha iphi? Uzamatala or iguru?
So when I'm before ngike ngabe no like ngike ngabe Scotland ngathanda
Like le
I prefer
Uzamatala. Uzamatala, okay. Guys, ne sizinichoose Uzamatala nonke. Sizingithathe Uzamatala nonke mina I think ngithanda ba unique njengoba neguru. Okay.
Bra iguru bra. Xa ujika lokwana ungadibana
Iguru ne. Okay, mina ne iguru andithandela ba like i1010 Ngitha iguru intswempu. Hayi ngabayi kuphandle uthanda umuntu. Intswempu iguru and iguru. Ingxaki inobukhothane Uzamatala kakhulu. And abantu abaninzi ngoku becinga uba nami amkhothane yabo. So ndifuna nje abantu bangacingi uba amkhothane so that yabo and futhi iguru ne ingichazela into eyi-1. Iguru into yakhona man ifeel ngathi awungeke usho ukuthi local brand, to be honest. Iyafana Uzamatala. Ngeke usho ukuthi local brand because indlela eyenziwe ngayo man ifana ne-drip. Yabo i-drip nangingayazi mina i-drip eyenziwe apha eAivory. I-drip khona ne-drip umjito wakho ukuthi wayihlala apha then wagowa feta sitsho isilunga lithi feta yabo. So I think iguru is fine for mina ne because ndayibona the way ingenza ngakhona i-relaxed i-chilled.
Yeah.
Ayigcwelanga kakhulu Uzamatala ingxaki i-brands zakhona intswempu ifake no smoker emva ngoku yabo. Nandithanda Uzamatala qha ndifuna uhamba ndedwa ngoku yabo. Uzamatala is the best guys. Yabo indlela yakhona iqale ngakhona izinto bingathembisi ukuthi ngathi bebig kangaka yabo. Iguru yona nation hayi ukuthi ndilwa nayo but angikaze ndayibona kakhulu what you call kwi-TV and stuff yabo. Ndandibone kwi-TV and stuff so but Uzamatala yona namanje ngiyamgcina.
No, ngiyakutshela.
Ngiyakutshela bheka. Dank bafethu. Yeah, okay hayi ngakuva. But kusho before sizoyivala into yethu i-tin because vele abosisi bagrand and basiphethe ka right, basiphendula kamandi. Ithini wena bhuti? Uthini question yakho? Bosisi.
so far na question ne. Into no like uyibuza ne. Can you tell one thing to the viewers, a true thing ewuthi lena kumele bayikhiphe kubo after the asizoyivala manje?
Bathini ke?
Kahle effect about life in general. Yeah, like a message.
Or message like basho ba okay fine message ababapha yona.
Yeah.
Ma viewers ithini okay.
Guys, now I feel like even if awumazi, even if umbona estradini no matter like wenza ngaphi umsebenzi, into ebalekile umhloniphe bra. Umuntu omdala mhloniphe. Even if like lo muntu lo ungcono kuno mamakho or umamakho
Ungcono
like
kunayo.
it doesn't matter like ukuthi yenza yiphi umsebenzi but like mhloniphe umuntu life in bra. You can go far.
And don't underestimate umuntu.
Okay.
Yes.
Inkosi ungomncedisa ne ngizoqale yakho.
Okay guys. Na imessage nganipha yona ukuthi
Abo ufuna uxoxa.
No bengafuni uxoxa yabo.
But
Oh yeah. I wanted to talk about abangani. You see?
Namanzi ukuthi awekho mayibuyi.
Abangani guys. Like abangani bakhona bona. Mara wamela umbheke umngani wakho. Like umbheke. Ubona ukuthi uzogainani. Yeah. Ubona ukuthi uzekela. I'm not saying like ni break it body but like yeah.
Yeah, okay. So namcela ubapha bhuti. Nami nje
Yeah,
yabo.
ngabapha.
Okay guys, into engifuna unipha yona mina ne guys. Yazi umuntu mayizama ne ngifuna ngathi ungamncedisa so that nizozama nonke. Into engizama uyisho ne since vele nathi sithi sizamela sishaya izinto ezimnandi yabo siqala phansi yogcina seyithi yabo so ndisho bayithi like supportane sibe mandi kuhleke kube mandi ju ayike into edlula happiness kuthiwa ngesilungu the best way to hide the pain is a good smile yabo so into engizama uyisho ukuthi nanoma sihleka ngoku ne but sinamanxeba somewhere somehow yabo but ke sikhe silibale kancinci yabo ukubona xa uselibhiya uya Nadala ngiselibhiya. Nadala but ke guys nesendisho ba okay because nandiyiseliswa ibhiya utamkhulu wami yabo late utamkhulu wami bengiseliswa kakhulu ibhiya so ngiyacabanga ukuthi that day la age nani kuyo bendikhe but ke guys ikasi pulse ke lena ne guys ngicela ivideos zininzi ezizayo njengobhuti ezonixelela ezoyivala ngokwakhe uzonibalisela bayithini into but ikasi pulse ne guys ndicela xa neba nenza izinto ni subscribe yini bafethu ni commenteni kube mandi sizokwazi ba nathi xa sesenza izinto and share uyayiva lo way oh kodwa kuthi olibele sisi and share yabo izinto ezinjalo guys ndicela kakhulu man ubhuti wakho uzoyitsho uba yithini yakhe into
okay then obviously siyayivala manje then sivala ngesilogeni esiwani code basically
nakukhumbula ne guys because okay masheni from the streets
for the streets
shuthi manje thini tobetsa